Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you a neat idea. So you may have noticed on our website, we have a project for doing a character builder. So play some music. We can actually stop the music if we want to. And we can click on the different buttons to change Danny. We can change the backdrop. We can change some of the different prompts, like the different type of glasses with bow tie, etc. Clicking on these will make it so that it changes what kind of outfit Danny is going to wear. Okay, so it's a neat project, but I want to show you another project that kind of has a similar idea. All right, so this project is called Create a Cactus, and it is by KMGGG. And so when you click on it, so instead of being able to drag stuff, you can actually click on the different icons, and it changes the way our cactus looks. Okay, so then it allows you to actually save and upload different stuff. So let's see what happens. Interesting. Cool. So I thought this was a pretty neat idea. If you have something that's similar to the character builder, comment below your project so that way we can check it out. And make sure to check out the description so you can actually learn how to create a project like this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.